Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are only using a lace closure. Yes, because I measured my head and it actually fits. So I am going to create some cornrow braids to this lace closure. This was pretty simple. I mean, if you know how to braid, then you get the concept. This wig took me one day to do. It didn't take that long. It was like an hour and a half to braid, and then I added the beads and customized it when I went home. So it didn't take that long at all. Oh yeah, I also used braiding hair to extend the length. So I bought braiding hair to match the hair color. You know, if you know how to add braids and do cornrows, then this is pretty simple. So right here I was adding beads. So one of my friends showed me a different technique how to add beads onto the hair. I didn't know this way. I was doing it the longer way. But yeah, you just get some thread, and I wish I could like explain it, but I just learned literally like 5 minutes before I did this video how to do it. So, but it's pretty easy. And this is when I was gonna do it longer, and I was kind of trying to figure it out, but so I did some long ones because I was gonna do like a little bob cut, which would have been cute too. I might do that next. I also got all my beads from Michael's, which is like a local craft store here in Atlanta. I have already beaded some of them. I couldn't decide how I wanted to like do it, so it's gonna go on my head. I think I want into bangs. What do you think? Bangs to the side. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright, so I decided to do bangs, and I've already measured it to where it's gonna be. I did one with rubber bands, but I didn't really like the black. You see the black coming through, so I'm using these little things, and I'm gonna like squeeze them at the end. So yep, that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna redo some of them because I have a different design that I want to put on them. So I use these little gold clips. Usually see them in like dreads or braids. People have them like in the middle of their dreads or something like that. But I put it at the end, and then I use my scissors and squeeze it so that it could close it, and then I cut it off. This actually really worked. Like, this was my first time doing that. Yeah, I know I had to add the unicorn on the end of the thing. I found this little charm at Michael's also, and I sew it onto the bottom of the braid. I also had a letter J too for Jah. Okay. I use hair glue, of course, to glue it down to my hair. I didn't show that part. So this is a 5x5 closure. See? This is a closure. So regular closure. This is me after I glued it down and waiting for it to dry. I usually have my blow dryer, but I left it at work, so I was just patiently waiting.